We are in a massive breakout situation. Silver is currently $41.52 as of record of this video. It's headed for 42, and gold keeps making all-time highs. And I have an epic opportunity to share with y'all.
International Stacker.
Hey guys, International Stacker back again. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm just going to be upfront and transparent with you while I have Thor's hammer right here in my hand on what I believe is the most important and monumental bull market in the world right now, in my opinion. These numbers speak for themselves, and we are in an enormous breakout situation of my favorite type of metal, silver. I'm about to share with you my #1 all-time pure silver idea for the coming decade, so I'm not going to beat around the bush around this. This is it. Now, a few key important factors. One billionaire mining tycoon has just increased his position, and on top of that, a prominent Argentinian businessman who has already invested millions in May of this year just raised his stake once more by millions of dollars. Just 2 weeks ago, which is the reason I'm profiling this company to you right now. The momentum is strong, and together, both of them own now roughly a quarter of this stock, and in my opinion, aren't going anywhere. As you know, silver, as the time of recording this, we're at $41.52 an ounce, headed for 42, and this again is a 14-year high, which is an amazing situation to be in. And Wall Street's Bank of America is forecasting gold to hit $4,000 an ounce, and many people currently are excited and talking about this metal right here, silver. The GDX is actually up an insane 85% in 2025. The GDXJ is up a crazy 90% in 2025, and for the first time in history, gold's price has actually hit and broken $3,600 an ounce. The Federal Reserve has also just indicated in the past week or so that interest rate cuts are coming, and it could be as early as the September meeting, which is just around the corner, and extremely bullish for gold. I plan to share with you my #1 silver company. The company's share price that I'm about to go over has already appreciated 140% in just the past 90 days. The breakout in gold, silver, and the GDXJ index is what I've been waiting to see happen since I really came into the gold and silver space, and there is no way I'm going to let this opportunity pass me by. This moment is rare, a unique opportunity, and is one I plan to be very active in, and I am convinced that this is a breakout. Look at this, folks. I'm convinced that this is a breakout, and as you can clearly see, it's a big breakout when you're looking historically. And when you look at the US dollar index, the dollar is trading right now at its 3-year support line. So if you look at the past 3 years, we are right here on that 3-year support line. 5 years after bottoming in March of 2020, you can see right here during the market panic, silver has surged by more than 200%, and this is the primary reason that I personally cannot think of a better time to highlight today's video sponsor, Argenta Silver's business model to you. Now, where can you find this? It's available on both Interactive Brokers and Schwab, and I want to really go over the top 3 reasons why I believe that Argenta Silver is such a unique opportunity and why it's currently my top silver idea. So reason #1, 2 highly successful businessmen with proven track records in mining are buying millions and tens of millions of shares. Both Frank Giustra and Argentinian real estate entrepreneur Eduardo Elsztain, who has acquired 25 million shares in March, are major shareholders of Argenta Silver. Just 2 weeks ago, both purchased additional shares, again putting millions of dollars into Argenta Silver. You can see right here, this is one of the men I just spoke about. His name is Frank Giustra. He's talking about the right silver opportunity. For over 40 years, I dreamed of building a pure silver company in Latin America. Exceptional pure silver assets are incredibly rare, and when the Quevar opportunity presented itself, I knew instantly this is it. We have a clear vision to scale this into a much larger company. Reason #2 is really the valuation of the company. And this slide here breaks down the capital share structure. But here are kind of the dry figures, which to me tell the story. So the first figure, the previous owners of Quevar spent an estimated 60 million Canadian dollars on the project, discovering the 3rd largest pure silver deposit in Argentina and building a 100-person camp, which I'm going to show you here in a second. Okay. The second dry figure is that Argentina Argenta purchased this project for only $3.5 million in September. The third figure is the pure silver deposit, which contains silver resource 45.3 in the indicated category with 482, I believe that's grams per ton of silver. And then in the inferred, we're at 4.1 with 417. Okay, so high grade, low tonnage, pure silver play. And the third reason, which to me is important, is that less than 1% of the project area has been explored. Less than 1%. I cannot overstate the potential here. And you can see here, these are a lot of the drill holes they've been drilling. They've only explored 1%. This is already the third largest underdeveloped pure silver deposit in Argentina. And Argenta Silver now has sufficient cash position, which is critical. They've got about 18 million US dollars in working capital, and they are drilling as we speak. So results are currently imminent and will continue for the next few months. Remember, this project was dormant for over a decade, so this drilling program is critical. And again, the ticker on the OTC is AGAGF. This is one of the reasons that with gold hitting an all-time historic high, with silver hitting a 12-year high, and with Argentina's most prominent businessman, Mr. Eduardo Elsztain, with a track record in mining, investing Canadian $7.5 million in Argenta Silver. And with billionaire mining magnate Frank Giustra calling this project literally a vehicle to fulfill a 40-year-old dream of his to scale a pure silver company, and I'm featuring it here for you. It's situated in Argentina's top mining jurisdiction, the Salta province, which was voted the best jurisdiction of Latin America by the Fraser Institute in 2023. Not only that, but the government and previous owners did plenty to build the infrastructure that Argenta Silver has inherited through this acquisition. And look at this. This right here is a ready-to-use camp for 100 people. It's got a little under 60 kilometers of internal roads. It's got external infrastructure, including an active railroad, pressurized gas pipeline, a main road, and a high-voltage power line. Guys, do your homework on Argenta Silver. Like I said before, what really matters to me is that both Eduardo Elsztain and Frank Giustra have been buying millions of shares of Argenta Silver in 2025. And Frank Giustra says that Argenta Silver's silver resource is a once-in-a-40-year opportunity. Research Argenta Silver, ticker AGAGF on the OTC. Let me know in the comments below what you think. What's your prediction on silver? What's your prediction on gold? Are you making your own moves in 2025? Let me know in the comments below. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I guess I'll say, catch you on the next one. Woo!
One stacker on a journey.